In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a distribution list in Outlook. A distribution list, also known as a contact group or contact list, allows you to send an email to multiple recipients easily. Instead of entering each person's email address, you can simply use a single group name. This saves you time and streamlines your communication. First, let's start with the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook on your device. You should see a clean interface with various options. This is where you will manage your emails and contacts. It is crucial to ensure that you are in the correct application, as this will help you navigate smoothly. Next, look for the navigation pane. Here you will select People. This section is specifically designed for managing your contacts and groups. Once you click on People, the screen will refresh, showing you all your contacts. This is where you will create your distribution list. Now, click on New Contact and then select New Contact List. This action opens a new window to enter the details for your contact group. It is essential to choose this option because it clearly indicates that you are creating a group, not just a single contact. Enter a name for the contact list. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to remember. This will make it simpler for you to find the group later. A well-named distribution list will streamline your email process. You will notice the importance of organization when dealing with large groups. Next, you can add the names or email addresses of the people you want to include in this distribution list. This step is crucial because it determines who will receive your emails. Make sure to double-check the email addresses you add. This ensures that your messages reach the intended recipients without fail. Once you have added all the desired contacts, click on Create or Save. This action finalizes your new contact list. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your distribution list has been successfully created. This step is vital because it confirms that your changes are saved and ready for use. Now let's move on to Classic Outlook for Windows. Open Outlook again if you are not already in the application. Just like before, you will be greeted with your email interface. Familiarizing yourself with this layout will help you navigate through the steps efficiently. Select People from the navigation pane once more. This takes you to the section where you can manage your contacts. Remember, accessing the People section is essential for creating and managing your distribution lists. Click on Home, then select New Contact Group. This option allows you to create a new group specifically for your contacts. Choosing New Contact Group is the correct action to ensure you are setting up a distribution list. Enter a name for the distribution list, just like in the previous steps. This name helps you identify the group quickly in the future. A clear and concise name is a small but significant detail that enhances your organizational skills. Next, click on Add Members. You will see several options, from Outlook contacts, from address book, or new email contact. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Each option provides flexibility, allowing you to add contacts from different sources. Select or enter the contacts you want to add, then click OK. This action confirms your selections and adds them to the distribution list. It is important to ensure that you have selected the right contacts, as this determines who will receive your emails. Finally, click Save and Close. This step saves your new distribution list and exits the editing mode. You will see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. This final action ensures that your group is ready for use at any time. Note, a personal contact group can be used only by you. If you need a distribution list that your entire organization can use, an administrator must create a Microsoft 365 distribution list or distribution group in the Microsoft 365 or Exchange Admin Center. This ensures that everyone in your organization has access to the same group.